Yeah, what's good YouTube? It is your boy Jay on your Life with Jay's Honda channel, aka also known as Popular Loaner Jay. Subscribe to that channel, links in the description below. As you guys seen that title and seen that thumbnail, I am gonna give you guys part 2, 5 more things that you did not know about your Honda Accord Sport. If you didn't go watch that, please go watch that. It should be here somewhere. Very informative. Make sure you guys give this video a big like. It helps the channel tremendously, help the video tremendously. Comment down below if this video provided informative information, if it did or didn't help you. Just let me know your comments, and also subscribe. I post a whole bunch of car videos, and there's a lot of things that I have planned for the future as well. I hope you guys did enjoy the first one, and you guys will definitely enjoy the second one. Why not spread the knowledge? So the very first thing that you guys didn't know about your Honda Accord Sport. So we got the key, right? We got the key, we got the car. First thing we're gonna do is unlock the car. You're gonna come here to your passenger side. I'm gonna put the keys down. Right here is the stock mat of the Honda Accord. What you're gonna wanna do is take this out. So right here, you're gonna have something called frame number. Pretty much in this lower right corner, you're gonna be able to, tuggle it a little bit. Yep. And then you have a little secret compartment right here. And there's like a little space here that you could it's like a little compartment space that you could put whatever that you want. Yeah, so that's pretty much secret number 1. All right, on to the second thing about your Honda Accord that you did not know. So what you're gonna wanna do is, again, get your car keys. I'm not in the car yet, but I will be soon. Get your car keys, unlock it. Well, technically, you gotta pop your trunk, right? What you're gonna wanna do is, you come here, lift this thing up, this little protector mat up. You're gonna lift this right here. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second why. You see that gray piece right there? It's a gas funnel. You see this? Cool. Let me show you guys what you could use it for. Again, so after you unlock your car, be the gas pump thing right here. Pretty much this happens in case if you need to put more gas in your car, if you have that little gallon, that little red gallon that you find at Walmart, you cannot insert nothing there because it doesn't have the hole. You gotta stick something through it. You cannot fit nothing, you need a little pressure to fit it in, right? This will do the trick. So pretty much what you do is you insert it here, and whatever needs to go in there goes in there using this gas funnel right here. Whenever somebody says, oh, you can't fit nothing in here, this is what's here for, the gas funnel. Put it in there and you'll be good. On to the third thing that you did not know about your Honda Accord Sport. I'm finally in my car now, right? So pretty much I have here is the emergency brake release. So you know how you pretty much have this little emergency brake? You put it on and your car can't go nowhere. It's the emergency brake. So how about I show you guys a way that you can have it on, start your car, and then drive off in your car without having to hold on the brake and then put it down to release the emergency brake. Let me show you. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, obviously, you gotta turn on your car, right? Make sure the emergency brake is on. Turn on your car just as normal. The very first thing that you're gonna wanna do after you turn on your car is put on your seatbelt. So you see here how you got the miles, the miles that I have in my car, the brake, but that's the most important part right there, brake. That means the emergency brakes is on. Now since the seatbelt is on, press brake hold. After you press it, that comes on, right? Brake hold system, standby. Put your foot on the brake as if you're gonna drive normally. Get the gear stick, put it to D to drive. Mind you, the emergency brake is already on, but with this, it's gonna go off. Right now, if you let go on the brake, the car's ready to go, but it can't move. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is press the gas, and you're gonna be on your way. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, press the gas, and then we're good to go. So you guys see what I did there, right? If you don't believe me, if you don't understand the concept, rewatch the video and do it yourself, and you'll understand exactly what I'm trying to explain. So on to the fourth thing that you did not know about your Honda Accord. Are you tech savvy like me, or what they call people like me, like nerds? How about I show you a way that you could go to a menu behind the menu of your Honda Accord Sport in your settings. A hidden menu, that's the exact term I was looking for. Let me show you. But bear with me, I need both of my hands for this, but look closely because you guys will be shocked about this. All right, so it's currently 5:08 p.m. You see, this is just like the regular things that you find, the phone, the radio, the Bluetooth, the settings, everything that's on your Honda Accord dashboard for the menu. What you're gonna wanna do is to go to the hidden menu, you're gonna wanna hold the home button, the volume button, and the source button simultaneously. Do not forget that it's simultaneously, meaning at the same time, at the same damn time, just like Future said. So let me put my finger on home, volume, and source, right? All right, 1, 2, 3. Hold it. You're gonna see what happens in a sec. Oh, you hear that? Oh, y'all see that, right? Y'all heard that? It went beep. So now we have a self-diagnosis mode and the detail information and settings. So we click here, self-diagnosis mode, right? You're gonna see here the center display, the AC, all these little high-tech words and synonyms and acronyms and stuff like that. I don't want to mess with it because I don't want my car to, you know, start functioning differently, but you guys could do this at your own risk. Read the manual that's in there and everything, or you could, you know, ask your local professional employee at a Honda Accord dealership. So the second part to the menu is the detail, information, and settings. You go here, you have the monitor check, the unit check, the audio check, the guideline setup, the functional setup, the version, B scan, F scan, vehicle status, GPS information, system update, smartphone information, all these extra settings, audio check, you know, speaker check. Hear that go beep. So there's different things that you can do on your Honda Accord. You know, there's a different like menu and everything. That's the second part of the menu. Okay, so after looking at this hidden menu, I will show you guys a part 2. It's pretty much a secondary menu behind the hidden menu. The detail, information, and setting. We're gonna go to this menu, right? What you're gonna want to do is come here, press the home button for another additional few seconds, and then hold the home button. After you hear that beep, now you have an additional menu. This is like the third menu that we've been to. So you're gonna have the volume setting, the vehicle model information, display adjustment mode. You're gonna have all these little different settings and things that you can play with your car, see what you need, see what you don't need, update, bitmap display, all these little things that you need. Play around with it, see what you like, see what you don't like, see what you could use to benefit more as a driver, your car, and so on and so forth. But yeah, so that's pretty much a couple menus that you didn't know about your Honda Accord Sport. Last but not least, we're gonna go to the 5th thing that you did not know. So let's say you're out like driving, right? And if you want to put your car in the emergency brakes automatically without touching it or flicking it, I'm gonna show you how. Once you have your seatbelt and everything, you're gonna press the same button that we pressed earlier, right? The brake code. Press that. That's gonna pop up. Brake code system enabled. Get your gear stick, put it in D, which is for drive, and then now you take off. So you just drive as normal. Once you drive, let's say you got to get out the car for an emergency without touching the emergency brakes. The gear stick is not in park. I'm holding the car down with the brake. What I'm gonna want to do is take off the seatbelt, right? When you take off the seatbelt, the car is gonna go on brake. You guys didn't see that, but you see parking brake enabled. Now I can let go of the brake. The car is idle, it's stopped, it's not going nowhere. So now I can step out, I could do whatever, I could go do like whatever happened, emergency, whatever. Now I'm gonna come back in the car, and then now you pretty much do like the same steps in reverse. Put the camera down, you're gonna put your seatbelt back on. You don't touch nothing. Now once your seatbelt is back on, now you're gonna gently touch the gas and the brake will automatically turn off and you can keep on driving. Now I'm gonna gently press the gas and then the car moves again, just like normal. If you guys didn't understand, just try to go back a few seconds and then just try to, you know, I don't like understand what I'm trying to say. So to recap, what you're gonna want to do is obviously you got to turn on your car, put on your seatbelt, press the brake code button, get the gear stick to D to drive, you drive. Now to put your car on automatic brake without flicking it, take your seatbelt off. Your car's gonna go on brake. Put the seatbelt back on, your car is gonna still be on brake, but you press the gas and you're good to go. Those are the 5 things that you did not know about your Honda Accord Sport Part 2. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope this was very informative. I hope this helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. Even if you guys did or didn't know, I'm still here to help. Like I said before, why not spread the knowledge? Thumbs up if you did. Share, share, share. Someone who drives a Honda Accord, or even if they don't drive a Honda Accord, comment down below your thoughts, opinions. If you guys have any more questions, you know, I read literally every comment. I reply to every comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that because I want to share a lot of Honda Accord ideas, interests, go to car meets, this, that, and the third. A lot of plans for the future. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy part 2. If I discover a few more things, then I could potentially bring in a part 3. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. It has been your boy Jay on the Life with Jay's Honda channel, aka also known as Popular Loner J, and obviously my Honda Accord Sport. Like, comment, subscribe, click that bell so you won't miss any more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video, maybe part 3 or in the next video. But peace, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. My mind is set and I can be whatever I want to be, and that's what I want to be. I want to be a top tier YouTuber.